Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to create an account on the Grok AI app. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your Grok AI app. So here you are given with multiple options, either to continue with X or to continue with your Google account or with your email address. So for this video, we are going with email. So if you already have an account, then just simply fill up your credentials and log in. Since we're trying to sign up, tap on sign up. Now, here you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's a valid and accessible email. Tap submit. And here fill up your name. And now create a strong password for your account. It's recommended to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once done, tap on sign up. Now check your email box for a verification email from Grok AI. Open the email and tap on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, tap on close the window and go back to a previous window. Once your email is verified, return to the Grok AI app and you'll be automatically logged in and your account setup is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech guides. If you have any queries or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.